I'm coming to you tonight as the Phantom of SRO. As a few of you know, I'm coming up here to help out, and it's too far to drive back, so I'm just spending the night here at SRO. And I wanted to show you a couple of things. As most of you know, or some of you know, maybe maybe none of you know, I don't know. I retired from my full-time gig back in January, and I've kind of adopted a semi-nomadic lifestyle, driving around and camping and going to classes and goofing around. Right now I'm living out of a Ford Transit van when I'm not home, and I've been adapting some of my bushcraft kind of equipment to living in the van lifestyle, and I just kind of wanted to show you a couple of things tonight. This is mainly cook gear. And I just wanted to do a quick video. It's not going to be anything special. It's not going to be anything fancy. A lot of times when I'm not cooking on an open fire, you know, a lot of places you can't have fires. I cook on one of these single burner butane stoves. As you can see, it's dirty. It's been used. So, I do use a lot of the Pathfinder stainless steel. And my cook kit is... most of it's in this Pathfinder wax canvas bag. This is the one that fits the large bush pot. And inside, my frying pan is not in here right now because I left it at home for this trip because I knew I wasn't going to be cooking much. I wasn't going to fry anything. But what I have in here, all nested together, and I like it like this. This is my main cook gear. And you can see it's been used a lot. This is not new shiny stuff. Is a large bush pot. And what fits inside this is a small bush pot, also heavily used. And a canteen cup, also with a lid. Used, but not as much as the other two. Just mainly uses for coffee in the morning. And it's a nice compact kit. It all folds down good and easy to carry. Makes my life a lot easier in the van, or when I'm just camping. This is the same thing I carry. I throw usually the small bush pot and the canteen cup, or not the canteen cup, the bottle cup in my pack, and that's what I cook with when I'm out away. Got my bamboo spoon, main eating utensil, and also in the van, I have taken to using one of these takedown tripods because sometimes, you know, the lowest setting on the stove is not quite low enough. Your pan is way too close to the fire. So what I've done is I raise it up with this tripod, same way you would with your fire. I just raise it up a little bit above that butane flame, or if I'm using my single burner propane, I do that, and lets me control my heat a little bit better. And this tripod is nice. Tripod's nice because it breaks down into this little tiny package right here. Easy to carry. I carry all of this stuff in one of those plastic totes underneath the bed platform in the back of my van. And I'll show you that at a later date. And I'll show you all the other stuff at a later date. But I just wanted to get this out really quick. Basically, so I've got something to do tonight. If there's anything you guys want to see in here when I'm spending the night in here, want to see a product, want to see anything, just send me a message. And I'll also put a link to my affiliate page, which is a new thing that enables you to click through and see gear that we recommend as the instructors. And Josh has got one of those, Sean's got one of those, I've got one of them. I'm an instructor, but I don't really do much instructing anymore. I really run the camp. I'm the camp master. Josh Inyart, the Gray Bearded Green Beret on YouTube. He's also got an affiliate page. Sean Kelly, Corporal's Corner on YouTube, also has an affiliate page. I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel because I really don't use the YouTube much. And I'll put the link to my affiliates on there because, quite frankly, the Navy CB needs a little help to beat the Green Beret and the Marine. They're pulling way ahead of me in the affiliate rankings. So you can help. And that's it. Like I said, this is not going to be a pretty video. It's just a quick and down and dirty and something I can record on my phone and upload straight to YouTube. And hopefully it'll be worth watching. Thanks. As Dave said, thank you for your views. Thank you for your support. Thanks for the support for all the other instructors. Thanks for your support for me. And thanks for your support for SRO. Thanks. Have a good day.